Hey guys, we're gonna be working on this 15 Outback. If you guys had any chance to watch, we got some content out for the taillights, deck lid panel, finish panel, all that stuff. I'm gonna show you guys how to take the rear bumper off. I'm sure some of the parking lots hit it or whatever. You need to replace it or don't want to spend a lot of money. It's very simple to take his taillight out. You got these little caps right here. You pop these caps out. Oh, cool, so they don't fall out. There's a 10 here, there's one on the other side as well. There's 10. 110 there. There's 110 here. Right here. Get those out of the way. This model I think has mud flaps down here. It does. But it's with a Phillips screwdriver, which is cool. You get the wheels on, you might want to, you can get it with a little screwdriver or something. I'll show you guys right here. There's these little screws like this that go into here. Pull those off, mud flap comes out. There's another one on the other side as well. Take those off on this side. Show you guys. One here, one here, one here. Looks like there's a clip right here that need to be on there. There's another clip down here in the bottom. So I'm gonna get down here and pull these clips out, and then I'll show you guys where where they're at. Let's see if I can do it without having to get myself down the floor. I guess not. Need to put myself down there. This clip is broken. That clip right there. You're supposed to get underneath it like this, opens up, and then this thing comes out, but there's so much crud in there, it just, destroyed. Once you get that out, there's a push pin clip right here. You push the center of it, and it will go in halfway, and then you can pull the whole thing out. It's missing, but that's what's there. Since it's gone, there's literally just, they're held on by these tabs. If you just pull on it, they will come out without any hesitation. There's more of those clips on the bottom. I gotta get to those, so let me get those out. I'll show you guys once I get the bumper out. There's so much crap built into this clip. There you go, I broke it finally. Some will come out easy, some won't. There's two here, and there's a couple here, but they're already missing. And there's one over there. Someone took one off already, so I'm gonna go take the other one off as well. Okay, that is out. Taking those 10s out, those clips that go at the bottom, and that there's not really much more that holds this bumper on. If you pull this all out and just pull backwards like this, you see it, how it's coming out. Same thing on this side. You just pull these guys, and it's all held on into these guys. Little snap. The hard stuff is getting the big snaps off, but that's how the bumper comes off. Very simple. It's actually easier than taking the taillight off the tailgate. Put these guys back in, and this bumper will be for sale. And I'm gonna leave it right here because I'll put it back in the inventory on Monday.